Hey, what's going on, my friends? Miller here from MillerBread.com, and thank you for taking a look at my Captain Traffic review. In a nutshell, Captain Traffic is a brand new course by Shane that teaches you how to build an online business through Facebook. Now, what I like about this one is because it's a totally new concept where you will generate leads and sales on Facebook alone, because there's a lot of Facebook marketing training out there, and mostly they focus on like a spamming tactics and Facebook ads. But Shane broke it down to how you can build a very sustainable business just using Facebook free methods, and that is going around the algorithm and working it for you, that you can promote your business on Facebook. Now, if that is something that you're interested in picking up, I'll be throwing away bonuses that will help you maximize the Captain Traffic course, and you can access this by clicking the link down in the description, and you will be sent here to my bonus page where you will get some information on about the Captain Traffic review. Okay, and you will see here the description on the Captain Traffic and the prices and upsells, which we'll be discussing later on. But I will just want to show you my bonuses. My first bonus is my own personal Facebook engagement course. So as you can see here, a screenshot here, one of my Facebook posts, I got 283 reactions and 259 comments and 2 shares. So this is going around the algorithm on Facebook. So this is fully maximizing the algorithm that is working for you. Now, this course is one of my favorite tactics on how you can generate leads, because your post is now visible to most of your friends because of the algorithm that's working for you. And this Facebook course that I did personally, that will teach you how you can create that. And also, this is one powerful branding course where people will see, hey, maybe this person is an influencer because of the reactions that he's getting with his friends, right? So bonus number 2 is the Facebook fan page domination. Anyway, this is just a supplement course. You can totally work around your Facebook profile with the Captain Traffic review and my Facebook engagement. But then if you wanna take this into the next step, then you will need to learn how to use Facebook fan page and then create ads later on. But so this is a supplement course. Bonus number 3 is to how to make $100 per day using your smartphone. So this is another paid course as I was able to get access for you guys, where you will learn how to just use your online business just your phone. So working around on Facebook, you can just totally do this on your phone. So sometimes I'm away from my computer and I promote stuff on Facebook. I just use this simple techniques and courses where I just do everything on my smartphone. So if this is something that you really want to try out. My bonus number 4 is as simple hack as that, because Facebook is not really affiliate link friendly, so you can't really promote your business. But I found a way around that, and this hack is a tutorial made by me where I will show you how you can put your affiliate link on Facebook posts, where Facebook will not block the affiliate link, and it will just let it be, right? Because Facebook is really keen on blocking affiliate links. All right. And my bonus number 5 is the special action vendors bonuses, where we'll get access. Other affiliates are promoting this. I just want to make sure that you're not missing out on the vendors bonus. So again, if you want to purchase Captain Traffic and get all my cool bonuses, you can just click the buttons here anytime during the videos, and you will be sent to the sales page. Now, let's go here on the sales page to say, discover how to get red hat buyers on demand for free. Get results using our success strategies. Do this in a few simple steps, and it's really simple, guys. So here is the membership area, and it's totally free method. That's what I like about this, because if you have no budget for paid traffic, this is a course to start out with, right? So you get here the orientation, how it works, and this also have a Facebook group support, which is I really like. And this is it, branding yourself on Facebook, because you have to brand yourself, where people will develop that know, like, and trust factor with you, which makes your sales a lot easier and your promotion. Now, this is what I really like, guys, how to find and join Facebook groups, because there's a lot of Facebook groups out there that they call spam, but you can get a way around that, and then you stand out among the rest, right? There's a lot of people that promote, but this one way is to make yourself stand out and get those leads and sales coming to you, rather than the other people that are just spamming here on groups, right? This is what I like about this. And This is the awesome video, guys. It's creating a lead magnet Facebook group, Facebook post. So we're getting leads here. We're not getting sales, so we're just getting leads. And when people come to us, then you can promote to them, right? We're not just here to promote. That's not working. That's not gonna work, guys. That's never working. That's spamming, and people hate that. But then if you draw them to you, definitely you will get a high chance of converting those people into customers and members. And the final step, and as you see here, it's just simple videos, like 4 videos, but then this is very powerful. This is enough to create a full-time business on Facebook alone. And these are all the bonuses that you will be getting access: 10x commission, free websites, 10k a month online, lazy method, and awakening. So again, guys, this is a course. So the price now, we'll discuss the price. What you will be getting is first price is the just $9.95. So you get all the traffic generation training videos and the done for you lead capture page. So they provide that for you, so it's easier just to import this one. And then the upgrade is more advanced training. So they will teach you how to scale this up to the next level, meaning you will generate more leads and sales using this simple method. The value is $37 and the downsell is $27. Upgrade number 2 is the how to access millions of red hot buyers on autopilot. This is a $47 value, and the downsell is $37. And the $197 upsell number 3 is the live bootcamp that they made themselves, and this is a very powerful course because people actually paid a lot more, and then they're just offering it for $197 with this promotion of the Captain Traffic. Now, these are the benefits again, guys. So it's the ultimate Facebook branding course, done for you lead magnets, lead pages, millions of red hot buyers, Facebook marketing guide, and fun and profitable system, because it's really simple but very powerful. So again, guys, you can get my bonuses by clicking the link down in the description, and you will get these awesome bonuses, especially this one, the Facebook engagement course. Well, imagine just getting 283 reactions and comments on your Facebook post. That is very powerful, guys. So again, you can click this, get this my bonuses and the Captain Traffic training on just clicking the link down in the description. Alright, guys, so I really hope you get involved in this video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section down below, because I always reply to comments, and I really appreciate that, guys. Alright, so Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.